Gala Games at the time of this recording is seeing much of a consolidation after a bit of a bounce to the upside after we continued to hold within our key area of support between the 0.03519 and the 0.03196. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the most significant key areas of supports that we need to pay attention to, basing my analysis on the additive structures and the Fibonacci's. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows we made on the 20th of Dec, where you can see that we saw a very nice bounce to the upside and we first picked impulsively in the formation of these additive count 1. Then we saw a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of these F2 into the minimum pullback target area, highlighted on the chart using this red target area, an area that we fully maximized, and I believe that we got a low in place in the formation of these F2, and whatever is playing out at the moment is the start of an impulsive additive count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that gives me a minimum target area for that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.05138, an area that we can easily maximize in the next coming hours or maybe days. Then expect a bit of a short-term pullback in the formation of these F4 and then continue pushing higher in the formation of these additive count 5. I have also been saying to you that in case we get a sudden pullback to the lower side, using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the lows we made on the 30th of December to the high above the 0.04447, we can get a minimum pullback target area in case of any sudden pullback that we need to continue holding for us to still expect higher prices in the formation of that wave 3. And that target area lies between the fib level 0.382 and the 618, and that is between the 0.04027 and the 0.03759, the area that I have marked here on the charts. So in case of any sudden pullback, we need to pay attention to this area over here. And as long as we continue holding within the area, there's a very high chance that we are going to get another bounce back and continue pushing higher impulsively in the formation of that additive count 5. Zooming out on the charts to also give you my long-term perspective of the chart, from the lows we made on the 4th of November, I believe that we first peaked impulsively in the formation of these additive count 1, so a pullback in the formation of these F2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and then finally picked in the formation of these additive count 5 in a move that gave us a high above the 0.067, and that 5 wave structure to the upside completed the formation of these larger additive count 1. And having picked in the formation of that first wave, I was expecting a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of these F2, whose minimum target areas I have marked here on the charts using this yellow target area, an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we have a low in place in the formation of this wave 2, and the wave 3 is just getting started, and all we need to see as a confirmation is that initial 5 wave structure to the upside to confirm to us that we have a low in place and the wave 3 is just getting started. So this additive structure over here is so critical, because if by any chance we get a failure of this 5 wave structure to the upside, then that will be suggesting a more bearish case scenario where we can expect one more new low in the formation of these larger additive counts too. So that is the roadmap that I'm expecting Gala Games to follow for the next coming days and also hours, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.